Today we'll be talking about the Oak Park Library cost estimate, which is our final project for the capstone. We are the Aztec Innovators. And here is a brief overview of our team members and our disciplines. We'll be starting off with architectural. So we designed a 20,000 square foot library with a 10,000 square foot sorting facility. We placed the balcony on top of the sorting facility to maximize our space and get great views of the bay. Based off our zoning of RM2-5, RM1-7, and OP1-1, we recommend that the buildings be built with a maximum height of 30 feet or less, and the maximum usable area from the parcels is 50,000 square feet or less. Our final design had 84 parking spaces, 2 van accessible, 4 regular accessible, 1 EV van space, and 2 EV regular spaces, with the rest being regular parking spaces.
I will be talking about the civil and geotechnical engineering aspect of this project. Using the RFP, we have topography maps and soil reports. Using those, I created the grading plan and we got an estimated elevation of 330. Also, with the elevations, meaning we have to do excavations. The biggest excavations we needed to do was the entrance driveway and the entrance to the parking lot driveway. For the landscape justification, I have selected specific landscape species for the main reason being California style trees and shrubs, ensuring a great blend of aesthetically pleasing trees and shrubs. I also have used several plants and I also created a plant schedule that includes how much gallons of water each plant and shrub need.
So my part was structure evaluation. The goal of the structure evaluation was to make a foundation that ensures lung stability. The foundation was durable and it was safe, and it met the standards and the codes of the city with the geotechnical characteristics of the site. So some things I'm going to talk about is the density and water contact, shear strength parameters, and void ratio and saturation. So the site of the structure evaluation was College Avenue and the 55th Street in the city of San Diego. And for the density and water content, what we did was I did the soil sampled of 100 PSF and the moisture content was 11.1%. For the shear strength parameters, we used cohesion C, and the values for the soil was approximately 0.93 KSF to 1.00 KSF. We also needed to keep in mind friction angles, and those ranged from 22.2 to 25.1 degrees. Furthermore, for the structure evaluation, we need void ratios and saturation. And the saturation levels ranged from 80.3% to 88.0%. In addition to this, the void ratios were from 0.4084 to 0.4863. And this kind of provides an insight into the soil for porosity and compressibility or structure evaluation.
I will be talking about the MEP. For the HVAC, we analyzed for LEED compliance and explored sustainable technology. For the equipment, we selected energy-efficient HVAC systems compatible with building design. For the control systems, we developed a BAS for efficient regulation and integration with the other systems. For the electrical, we designed an electrical system based on usage patterns and optimal placement and in compliance with the city standards. For the plumbing, we designed a water conserving system with low flow fixtures and compliant drainage plans. And we also provided MEP design drawings that fit the specifications and ensured compliance with the city standards and codes.
So the environmental project overview. The constructing of the Oak Park Library, our goal was to serve the residential community and minimize environmental impact while providing a beneficial community resource. We gathered our utilities from contacting our sponsor, Hawk, and site inspection. The construction phase consideration was done to prevent pollution to the environment the focus on noise and air quality management during construction, as well as the implementation of sustainable drainage systems to manage water runoff and preserve vegetation. In addition, aesthetic measures including construction hoarding for visual appeal. Post-construction benefits, sustainable measures to maintain the soil, plant, and aesthetics of the site, architectural design that improves neighborhood integration and aesthetic appeal. The analysis of FEMA and mitigation strategies. We conducted a risk assessment for wildfires, floods, and earthquakes, as well as the implementation of enhancements to the structure, a design that is flood resistant, and the use of fire resistant materials. In conclusion, it is crucial to put the suggested mitigation techniques into practice in order to improve structural resilience, ensure safety, and protect against natural hazards.
For the construction schedule, the project duration was 3 years. We started March 2024 and ended on October 2027. 1 year of it was the design and 2 years was the construction. I made the schedule using Primavera P6, and I used different websites and talked to many people to see the correct amount of time I needed for each activity. For the opinion of probable cost for this project, I used RS Means and a couple of other websites to find the appropriate cost for each activity and materials and labor. For labor, I used the prevailing wages for the city of San Diego to find the best cost. And here on the right side, you can see the breakdown of everything, making the total project cost to be 38 million, almost 39. And that made the price per square foot $12.98 and 30 cents. And that's it. Thank you.